Welcome back to Everyday Vibes, bringing education and positivity to you every day. Today it's about productivity hacks and strategies to help optimize our time and energy for increased efficiency, so we can have more time to enjoy life and enjoy tasks when we need to do them. Tip 1. Prioritize tasks. Start by creating a to-do list and categorize your tasks based on their urgency and importance. Focus on completing the most critical tasks first to ensure you make progress on your key goals and responsibilities, and eliminate any immediate pressures. Planning tasks out in a list or calendar form are proven to be most effective. Tip 2. Time blocking. Set specific time slots for different activities or projects throughout your day. This helps you stay focused and avoids multitasking, allowing you to give your full attention to one task at a time. Tip 2. Eliminate distractions. One of the biggest hurdles to productivity is distractions. Identify the common distractions in your environment and take steps to eliminate or minimize them. This could mean turning off notifications on your phone, finding a quiet workspace, or putting headphones on and listening to that style of music that makes you focused. Tip 4. Break tasks into smaller chunks. Sometimes, large tasks can feel overwhelming and hinder your productivity. Break them down into smaller, more manageable chunks. This not only makes the task seem less daunting but also allows you to celebrate small wins along the way, keeping you motivated and productive. If you are having trouble breaking them down, draw them out on a big clean sheet of paper. You'll be surprised what your brain will pour out. Tip 5. Use productivity tools. Leverage productivity tools and apps to streamline your workflow. There are numerous tools available that can help you manage your tasks, set reminders, track your time, and collaborate with others. Find the ones that work best for you and integrate them into your daily routine. Tip 6. Take strategic breaks. Contrary to popular belief, taking breaks can actually enhance productivity. Schedule short breaks between tasks to recharge your energy and clear your mind. This is especially useful when you feel you have hit a wall. Use this time to engage in activities that help you relax and rejuvenate, such as stretching, going for a walk, or meditating. When you come back to the task, you will probably see it in a different light and see things you would have missed before. Tip 7. Optimize your workspace. Create a dedicated workspace that promotes focus and efficiency. Keep it organized, decluttered, and personalized to your preferences. A clean, ready-to-go, and inspiring workspace can have a positive impact on your mindset and productivity. Tip 8. Take time at the end of the day to reflect on your achievements. This is where your to-do list or calendar comes in handy. Take a moment to review the tasks you've completed and tick them off. As you see the items marked as done, you'll feel a sense of pride and accomplishment. Take this time to also reassess your tasks plan as a whole once again. It's an opportunity to evaluate your progress and make any necessary adjustments. Sometimes, you may need to reprioritize or make changes to your plan. Often you may find your plan was too ambitious and you need to push things out. It's all about learning and being realistic. Being flexible and adaptable is important for fostering self-gratitude and maintaining a positive mindset. What do you feel is your biggest stumbling block to be productive? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found these productivity hacks helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Stay focused, stay motivated, and keep achieving your goals.